चक्र पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर करेंट अफेयर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। करंट दृष्टि का पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर वन लाइनर जो होता है उसको आज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। पार्ट 1 है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच इंडियन ओरिजिन एस्ट्रोनॉट इज सिलेक्टेड टू ज्वाइन द 2029 टाइटन ऑर्बिटल मिशन? जानवी डंगेटी। फ्रॉम विच रीजन आंध्र प्रदेश डज एस्ट्रोनॉट कैंडिडेट जानवी डंगेटी हेल? पलाकोलू, वेस्ट गोदावरी। पलाकोलू, वेस्ट गोदावरी। On 26 June 2025, India's first non-banking financial company (NBC) in the maritime sector, Sagamala Finance Corporation Limited, was inaugurated by Union Minister Shabanada Sonewal. Which Kerala West Sanctuary was renamed to become the India's first dedicated butterfly reserve, Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, June 2025. Which Uttar Pradesh city is said to be host a 1000 crore green data center focused on sustainability? Shahibabad, Ghaziabad. What is the targeted power capacity of upcoming green data center? 30 megawatt. Which country declined to endorse the SCO Defense Minister Joint Declaration in June 2025? India. What was the Indians' principal objection to the SCO Defense Declaration draft? Absence of reference to the cross-border terrorism. Which new country was the formally introduced into SCO full member in 2025? Belarus. Which Indian athlete clinched the javelin title at the Ottawa Golden Spike 2025 event? Neeraj Chopra, 85.29 meter. Which country hosted the Golden Spike Athletes event in which Neeraj Chopra participated? Czech Republic. Which district of Uttar Pradesh will house the South Asia Region Center of the International Potato Center, Agra? Which center minister initiated the proposal for the establishment of the CSARC in Agra? Minister of Agriculture, Farmer Welfare. In which district of Uttar Pradesh the government approved 417 crore electronics manufacturing clusters under EMC 2.0? Gautam Budh Nagar. Which industrial authority is tasked with developing the EMC project in Gautam Budh Nagar? Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority. Which Indian astronaut became the first to reach the International Space Station in June 2025? Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla. What historical significance does the June 2025 space mission hold for Hungary, India and Poland? Return to human space flight for all three countries. How long was the duration of the Subhanshu Shukla space mission to ISS? 14 days. Which state is scheduled to host the 5th edition of the Khelo India University Game in November 2025? Rajasthan. Which city will host the 2025 World Para-Athletics Championship? New Delhi. What is the name of the mascot unveiled for the 2025 World Para-Athletics Championship? Viraj. What unique feature does mascot Viraj have to be symbolized? Para-athletes depicted as a young elephant with a blade prosthesis. Which state became the first Indian state to establish Senior Citizen Commission? Kerala. Which state stopped in the solar installation on the railway station with 275 units? Rajasthan. How many a club model residential school in the center planning to set up? 728. Which festival was celebrated by the Adivasi communities in Jharkhand on April 1, 2025? Sarhul Festival. What is the first African woman Secretary General of Commonwealth? Shirley Bochivi, who was recently appointed as the part-time member of the 16th Finance Commission? T. Ravi Shankar. Who is the author of the book The Great Conciliator about Lal Bahadur Shastri? Sanju Chopra. What is Indian rank in the network Readiness Index 36. Which country assumed BIMSTEC chairmanship for the next 2 years? Bangladesh. What is the theme of the International Day of Yoga 2025? Yoga for One Earth and One Health. What is the India's first leopard safari as per Punjab Tourist Development Plan? Jhajjar Bachauli. What new category did CPCB introduce for initial environment service? Blue category. Which minister announced India's first indigenous semiconductor chip launch? यूनियन मिनिस्टर अश्विनी वैष्णव. आज के लिए इतना ही रह लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट पूरा कंप्लीट.